Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC. Today I'm at the pond with my T800 F1 tunnel. I zeroed out my GPS. Let's tape it up and have some fun. It's running very loose. Yeah, too loose. Let's bring it in and adjust the outboard angle. I adjusted the outboard angle, so let's try again. It has a little hop, but other than that, it runs great. This run was with the Xiaomi LiPo, and the second run will be with the CNHL LiPo, so I hope for a little bit more performance. .5. Alright, that's not so fast. Let's see with the CNHL LiPo. Alright, CNHL LiPo 1. Wow, it has a really funny hopping behavior. I don't know what it is. 85.3. Alright, that is slower than I expected, but anyway, I had a lot of fun. We got the T800 in the workshop. After each run, I disassemble the outboard cover, I take out the electric motor and I oil the bearings. I also take out the flex shaft. I clean it up and I oil it for storage. This is the stock flex shaft. It uses a double square end. So this is the stock motor coupler, which has a square entry. And the prop shaft has also a square entry. But I actually prefer to run a collet on the motor and use a non-OEM flex shaft with the square end for the prop shaft and just a round end for the collet, because this flex shaft is way more flexible and I think it has less resistance and therefore the driveline runs more smooth. But I ran out of these flex shafts. This one maybe looks okay, but when you look closely you can see that it is deformed, so I cannot run this one anymore. I think last run the boat didn't perform as well as it could. It was hopping a little bit, the top speed was also less. I think it's partly due to the GPS which I used. This is my old GPS, I have it for many years. It's almost 100 grams, so it's quite heavy. I bought a new, smaller GPS, but that one sank when I crashed my Wild Thing. So using this one again, and I put it all the way in the front. And I think it disturbed the center of gravity too much, and the boat was acting a little bit strange. So next time I will run it without the GPS and check if it will perform better. I also think that maybe the outboard angles could be adjusted a little bit higher again. But first let's try without the GPS. Next weekend I have the Dutch RC Powerboat event. It's a great event for gas boats, nitro boats, electric boats. So really looking forward to run this boat. Last run was basically a test to see if the boat works properly. And next weekend I will bring it together with my other F1 tunnel, maybe some other boats, and have a good time. I will try to shoot some footage and share it with you, so I hope to see you next time. Bye!